Hello everyone, we are going to start English Grammar of Standard 3rd, Chapter number 18, Was and Were. Read the sentences given below. First number, Jyoti was a good student. Second number, the children were polite. Was and were are verbs. Okay, was and were are verbs. Let's read few more sentences to understand their uses. Was. First, I was sad when I lost my pet. Second number, the classroom was big. Third number, Richa was a sweet girl. Fourth number, it was sunny yesterday. Fourth number, it was sunny yesterday. Fifth number, Vivek was ill. Sixth number, he was an honest man. Dear students, in these sentences we are finding was. Okay, so was suggests to us that these sentences are in past tense. Okay, these sentences are in past tense. Here was and were are suggested to us that sentences are in the past tense. Okay, past tense means whichever action has been finished. Okay, so first number, I was sad when I lost my pet. So when I lost my pet, during that time I was sad. Then second number, the classroom was big. So here they are talking about the classroom, and the classroom was big. Okay. Then third number, Richa was a sweet girl. So here they are suggest to us that Richa was a sweet girl, very sweet girl. Then fourth number, it was sunny yesterday. Maybe today maybe today it is not sunny day, but yesterday was a sunny day. So that is why they are telling to us that it was sunny yesterday. Now fifth number, Vivek was ill. So they are suggesting to us that Vivek was ill in the past. Okay. Then sixth number, he was an honest man. So right now maybe he was not honest man, or maybe they are talking about that honest man. So that is why he was an honest man. Now were. First number, they were happy when they won the match. First number, they were happy when they won the match. Now we will find were in these sentences. Okay. Second number, we were very tired after the match. Okay, after the match we were very tired. They are suggesting to us that we were very tired after the match. Now third number, Vinith and Aman were hungry. Who were hungry? Vinith and Aman were hungry. Are you hungry? So have an apple. Okay. Fourth number, you were late for the party. You were late for the party. Maybe they went for the party and some of the friend is telling to them that you were late after finishing the party. They are telling to them that you were late for the party. Now fifth number, those books were torn. Those books were torn. Sixth number, they were not at home in the evening. They were not at the home in the evening. Again, they were not at home in the evening. Okay, maybe they have went at another place, maybe in the market, maybe in the bazaar, maybe outside. So that is why they are telling that they were not at home in the evening. Now 7 number, there were no children in the library yesterday. Okay, so there were no children in the library yesterday. So in all these sentences we are finding were. Okay, why were? Because here they, we, Vinith and Aman, you, those, books, they, there. So here we can find plural form, okay, of subject. So that is why were has came. And here we are finding they are talking about a singular thing or singular person. That is why, okay, if a singular verb or if a singular person is here, then we have to write down was, and if there are plurals subject, then we have to write down were. Okay, now A number, choose the correct words in the brackets. Choose the correct words from the brackets. First number, Mohan was an intelligent student. Mohan was an intelligent student. Second number, they were in the park in the evening. They were in the park in the evening. Third number, last December was the coldest month of the year in Delhi. Last December was the coldest month of the year in Delhi. Fourth number, I lost the cycle which was gifted by my mother. I lost the cycle which was, answer is was, gifted by my mother. Fifth number, Meena was absent yesterday. Meena was absent yesterday. Sixth number, third number, last December was the coldest month of the year in Delhi. Fourth number, I lost a cycle which was gifted by my mother. Fifth number, Meena was absent yesterday. Sixth number, Tina was unwell last week. Seven number, Chetan and Priya were neighbors. Why? Because Chetan and Priya, these both are plural, na? So that is why were. Here Vinith is a singular person, so that is why Vinith was in pain when he hurt himself. Let's check out. Mohan is a singular person, so that is why was. They plural form, okay, so that is why were. Last December, it's singular, so that is why was. I lost the cycle which was, because cycle is only one, and I lost the cycle, so singular form, that is why was. Meena also is in a singular form, so that is why was. Tina also in a singular form, that is why was. Chetan and Priya, okay, so now both happen to happen, so that is why plural form were, neighbors. And Vinith is a singular subject, so that is why was. Okay, now B number, filling the blanks with was and or were. The books were interesting. Answer is were. Second number, Meera was 7 years old when we met her last year. Third number, the sky was cloudy in the morning. Fourth number, the children were naughty. Answer is were. Fifth number, the woodcutter was an honest man. Sixth number, the cartoon was funny. Seven number, the class was noisy. Eight number, Veena was late. Those girls were not in uniform. Those girls were not in uniform. 10 number, the stars were covered with clouds last night and could not be seen. Okay dear students, here the books, it's a plural form, so that is why were. Mira, Mira is in a singular subject, so that is why was. The sky, it's in a singular form, that is why was. The children, children are. Okay, so children are means they are in a plural form, that is why were. The woodcutter is a singular person, so that is why was. The cartoon, it is in a singular form, that is why was. The class, there is only one class. Okay, so the class was singular, that is why was. Veena, Veena is a singular subject, that is why was. Those girls, okay, it's in a plural form, girls are in a plural form, that is why were. And the stars, okay, they are also in a plural form, that is why were. Now let's revise. Was and were are verbs. They tell us what persons, animals and things were some time ago. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter. Please write down this both exercise in your next notebook or textbook. Thank you.